Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make tomato rice in Instant Pot. This will be a one-pot dish and very easy to make with very few ingredients. So let's get started. We'll need some finely sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, some green chilies, and some cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaves, mint, cilantro, and some ginger garlic paste, some cashew nuts, and our coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and chili powder, and some salt and some garam masala. And I've taken basmati rice, about 1.5 cup basmati rice. I washed it and soaked it in water. Also need some yogurt and ghee. This is how my Instant Pot looks like, and I'm going to turn on the saute mode first and then start. Add some oil to this. Add some cumin seeds next. Next add cinnamon and cloves and also cardamom and bay leaf. Next add some green chilies. Next add the mint leaves, onions, some salt. Onions are fried well now. Let's add these cashews and add some ginger garlic paste. Add the tomatoes. Now let's add some coriander powder to this, some cumin powder, some chili powder, and some turmeric powder. Mix this well. So add some salt. Now add some curd to this. About 2 spoons of curd, and mix it well. I also like to add some frozen peas to this, but this is totally optional. I just add it for nice color. Now add some garam masala to this. Let's add water. So for 1 cup of basmati rice, we'll need about 1.5 cup of water. Make sure the water is salty. If not, add more salt. Now go ahead and add the basmati rice to this. Make sure to drain off all the water that you used to soak this in, and then put the basmati rice inside. Mix it very gently. Add some ghee on the top. Add some cilantro on top and cover this with lid. And turn on the pressure cook mode now. In my Instant Pot, this goes to seal automatically, but if yours is a manual Instant Pot, make sure you put it in seal mode. Pressure cook mode for about, I think 6 minutes is good. Pressure cook mode is done, and I let it sit like this for some time. And now we can open the lid. So first I'm going to move it to vent mode. This is how the rice looks like. Let's check. Looks very good. Rice is good and grainy. So let this cool down for a bit. Transfer this into a bowl, and it has come out really well. So do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. And please do subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.